Hello friends, today in this short tutorial I am going to show you how to do a simple voiceover using the TTS T2 app. T2 is totally free and is available for download on Play Store. It has no limit on the size of file you can convert. Link is given below in the description. I am going to do a voiceover on this short video clip of pigeons. Text for voiceover is in this text file that I will save to downloads folder in mobile. I am going to use Blender for video editing and voiceover. You can use CapCut or any other software you like. So let's get started. I have connected my mobile to Android Studio so I can just drag and drop text file to my mobile. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Screen 1 is for listening to text files in PDF or text format like any other reader app. To convert a text file to audio, we have to go to this screen. Refresh and select an engine from the drop down. Select a language. Select an accent. Click the big square button to pick up the file and convert it to audio. It takes about 10 seconds to convert an audio of 100 seconds. Okay, conversion is done. At the end of conversion, a very basic audio player appears. If you want to listen to your newly created files, you can pick and play those right here.
I forgot to feed the pigeons at proper time, so they decided to take matters into their own hands. Feed bags have been popped open and now they are having a go at it.
Great, works perfectly. Let me copy my audio file to desktop and then save it in my Blender work folder. Okay, conversion is done. Let us open Blender and go straight to File, New, and then Video Editing. Drag and drop the video clip on the video sequencer. Let us rotate and resize the clip so that it looks a bit normal. Set the end frame to 2973. It is shown right here beside the clip name. Hit save. Drag and drop audio clip on the video sequencer. Let us try out the video.
I forgot to feed the pigeons at proper time, so they decided to take matters into their own hands. Feed bags have been popped open and now they are having a go at it. Macaw's calls are coming from well over 200 meters, while the budgies are just outside the window.
I forgot to feed the pigeons at proper time, so they decided to take matters into their own hands. Feed bags have been popped open and now they are having a go at it. Macaw's calls are coming from well over 200 meters, while the budgies are just outside the window.
To find more details about Tetou app, you can watch my other video on this channel. Thanks. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up.